Hi, thank you for joining me again. I will show you how to make this gorgeous flower gift box. It offers generous space, double layers for sturdy structure, and oversized flower on the top as the wow factor to finish. You will need a scoring tool to make this project. I use Cricut stylus in this video. The download link is in the description. There are 2 SVG files for Cricut and 2 Studio3 files for Cameo. Upload the gift box SVG to Design Space. We are going to change all the lines to scroll. Right-click and choose Ungroup. On the right-hand side panel, we could see the top 3 layers are the folding lines that we are going to change. Click the top one, hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and continue to select the other 2 layers. Go to the top and change them to scroll. Now they have been changed to scroll lines. Select a side panel and its scroll lines. Right-click and choose Attach. Same to the other 2. The green elements here are decorative panels for the lid. These 2 are for the lid. The white parts are for the gift box. These 2 are for the base. There are 12 sides for the polygon. We need 3 side panels each to make 12 sides. Select the side panels. This one isn't attached with the scroll line, just gonna attach them together again. Take 2. Select the side panel, hold the Shift key on the keyboard. Select the other 2 side panels. We have all the 3 side panels. Right-click and duplicate. Duplicate them again to make 3 of each. Now the file is ready. Click Make It. Here are all the pages we need to cut. Click Continue. Come to the material page. It hasn't asked any scoring tools. We can't edit the tool neither. Choose your material first. We still cannot edit the tool section. Just load the materials and cut first. It will be available later. The page 2 is finished. Now the tool section is available to edit. Click Edit and choose Scoring Stylus. We have added in the scoring stylus. The light is flashing, waiting for material. Install the stylus and continue to cut. Here are all the cutouts, 12 decorative panels for the lid. These are 3 different side panels. This part is the side panels for the lid. There are glue tabs on the top only. The bottom end is flat. These 2 parts are side panels for the box itself. The one with the circle marks are for inside of the box. These have no marks and got glue tabs on both ends are side panels for outside of the box. 2 rings for the box, 1 polygon for the lid, 2 scallop circles for the base. The smaller one got cut marks on. They are for position the box. Once we know all the elements, the assembly is straightforward. You get the 3 panels with the circle marks. Fold all the scroll lines. We have folded all the scroll lines. They are for inside of the box. Fold the top and bottom glue tabs backward, but fold the vertical lines forward. It doesn't matter if you are using double-sided cards. If you are using pattern cards, make sure the pattern side is visible. Glue the end with the glue tab with the end without glue tab. Same as this panel, we will enclose the whole panel later. The inside panel is done. We'll glue it to the inner ring. Apply glue and flip it over. Because of the size, it is a bit tricky to align. Take time here to adjust. You might find it's easier to adjust from the top. Check all sides carefully. Next, we will glue the outside of the box. We get the side panels with both top and bottom glue tabs. Fold the scroll lines. The 3 side panels are ready. We will glue them together. Fold all the scroll lines backward. This side will be outside of the box. Glue the ends with the glue tab with the ends without. Don't attach 2 glue tabs together. Enclose the open ends. Apply glue. Flip it over and go through the box slowly. Align outside of the box. Turn it over and adjust 3 panels at once. Slowly move along and adjust. Use a pen or a tool to push from inside to adjust. Next, we'll put glue on the top and attach the other ring. Take time to align all the sides. Glue 2 base pieces. The side with the marks should face up. Glue in the center. Glue the polygon to the box. Use the marks to position. The box is done. Next, we are going to do the lid of the box. Those 3 side panels of the lid, first we're going to fold them. The 3 side panels are folded. We are going to put a decorative panel on, like this. Now all the side panels glue, all the decorative panels glue down. We're going to glue them together. The end with glue tab, attach the end without glue tab. The side of the lid is done. Apply glue and attach the top. Align all the sides. The lid is done too. The lid is slightly bigger than the box. It should snuggle the box just right. It is looking cute. Upload the big flower SVG to design space. There are 5 layers of the flower and 3 pieces for the middle of the flower. Pretty straightforward, just need to send to cut. Here are all the cutouts for the flowers. 3 pieces for the middle, 5 different sizes of flowers. Use a pen or whatever you have handy to curl all the petals. There is no correct way to curl the petals. Curl them however you like. We could also adjust later. All the flowers are ready. Stack them together. Use the circle in the middle to position. Don't align the petals. The petal on the top layer should be in between 2 petals at the bottom. Apply glue around the circle and attach together. Repeat the same step to stack the flowers. Hold the petals together and squeeze. Be careful not to fold the petals. Adjust however you like it. Give it a bit more volume. It looks good. Next, glue the 3 long pieces together. Use the glue tabs to attach them. It is 1 long piece now. Use a pen to curl. Use tweezers or fingers to roll. Once it's done, let go a bit to lose the center. Once it reaches the size you want, dab glue at the end to attach. Use glue gun or fast dry glue to secure the middle part with the flower. Hold it till the glue is dry. The glue is dry, use fingers to bend them outward. Adjust the flower a bit more if you like. We will attach the flower to the lid. Apply glue and make sure the flower is in the middle of the lid. This gift box offers generous space and I just adore the oversized flower on the top. Hope you enjoyed the project. Thank you for watching.